pencil.
Okay, okay, sit down, sit
I
down.
have a pencil.
Louder, louder.
I have a pencil. I can't see my nose.
Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay.
I
So,
have a phone. I have another. I have a niece problem. I have a that. Oh, ow,
injection,
ow,
injection.
ow, ow.
Injection.
I have a phone. I have a niece problem. I have another. I have a chef. I have a doctors. I have a big.
What's that?
Hard R.
Hard?
Mom, look. Press button.
Yeah, press. Wow, nice.
I push button. No battery right here.
No. Do you hear me?
Okay.
Okay, let me finish.
Mom,
Mama, need to
I have some.
Oh?
Mom, say that.
Mm.
You hear that?
Mm-hmm. Now let me finish, okay?
Okay, boom. Oh, push button. What he said? What he said? I can't say that.
I did not say that. Say.
Oh,
You say I did not say that.
I can't say that.
No, I said I did not say
I
that.
not say that. What? What? Shit.
Happy?
Already I check.
Are you happy?
Already I check up. Already I check up. Ooh! Why is wrong her?
Are you happy, Anak?
Yeah. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have a doctor's.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Say thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Say thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Mom.
Yes. Thank you, Dong.
Thank you, Don.
You're welcome, my love of my life.
Mom,
Yes?
I open it.
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy can't.
Give me a second.
Hey, help me, Mom.
Okay, give me a second.
Squeeze the whole one. Mom, I'm so excited. I love it right now. Woo. Oh, nice. Not bad. Mom, Mommy,
Happy?
what is that? What do you say?
Say, what did you say?
What do you say?
What did you say?
What do you say? Oh, hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Mom,
So did you hear that, Black?
I hear that black. It said yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, Mom,
Yes,
I opened it.
Yeah, sit down.
Mom, have wet pants.
You have wet pants?
Yeah,
How come, Anak?
that's the water.
Okay, sit down. Daddy is coming now. Just talk to your blanket.
Mom,
Mm?
already check up again. I have to check up. So strong. Where it comes from? Mom, why not waiting?
Give me a second.
Mom,
I'm coming na, anak. Give me a second. Mama.
open it.
Yeah, give me a second. Give me a second. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a second. Because we're going.
I have an obstacle.
Yeah, I am. Just wait, my love, okay?
That I don't. Oh, I can. Oh, wait. I have stickers. Oh, yeah. Stickers. We did. I see a face. I have. Oh. Have dragon. I have a string. I have a doctor's rubber. I have that phone. What is that? Oh no. Let's think it comes in like that. Oh wow. Heart, my favorites. Hearts, wow, my favorite. Wow. Flowers. Love that. Band-aids, love it. Oh, I need to pee, I need to pee, I need to pee. I need to pee. Have a yellow pee. Oh yeah. So a yellow pee. Don't nice that. I want to pee, I want to pee, I want to pee, I want to pee. I want to pee, I want to pee, I want to pee, I want to pee. I'm going to pee myself. I said, Mom, Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, Mommy, Dad, Mommy, Dad. Check up. My doctors. Mom! Come here! I want to pee. I want to pee.
You what?
I want to pee.
Come on. Are you happy?
Yeah. Get
Okay,
up.
go ahead.
My bed. Get up.
Okay, come on. Sit down. Your shoes. Wear your
Already
shoes.
I check up.
Wear your shoes. Come on.
Why said? Like say later, bye. I have a green tongue.
From the.
Bicycle.
Yes.
Wait, my bicycle. My bicycle melt. My bicycle melt. Mom, my bicycle melt.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Mabay na vlog.
I have all my things. I have a doctor thing. I have sticker thing. I have a doctor. I have a checkup thing. Look.
Yes.
I have stickers.
Mhm.
I have shot. I have the monitor. I have the seat. I have the what is that name?
Purse. Doctor purse.
Purse and the phone.
Yeah.
That's
You
it.
have a doctor's bag set. Set.
Look in it. Look in there. What is that?
She look like you too, right?
Yeah.
You're here.
Mommy. What is that? Here.
Oh, come on, let's open it. Let's open.
Yay. Let's open.
Let's open, guys. Because
Our Daltea, our anak, she's crying. She's crying. She can't wait. She wants to open this one.
I have 2 sparkles, 3 sparkles. Not 2 sparkles, of 3 sparkles. That's noisy. Mama, that is so noisy. I'm so wetty. Mom, I can open it. Wow.
Look, guys. Here. Look. Look.
Mommy, are working?
Try. This is your ID.
My phone? A phone?
No, your ID. Look at that. Look at.
I want to take off.
That's her.
Mommy, take off.
Here na, guys.
Oh,
Earlier. No time it is. Almost 12 o'clock.
I know, but what can I do? Sus,
You didn't open it?
it's open already. Tell her what is this, what is that. Huh?
You deal with that. You open it. You deal with it.
I wanna take a shower. I wanna lay down.
Mom.
Anak, ask your daddy. Dad's turn. It's daddy's turn.
Mom, take off.
No, baby, you can take it off because that's normal. Anak, that's normal. This is your. This is normal because you're a doctor, so you need to. Oh,
Mommy,
sorry.
look at this box.
The starch bag she got.
Talk to her.
Look, Daddy. I want to put this
Come,
in
come
my
check
ear.
come check my heart.
Daddy.
You're not planning on going to sleep
Look,
tonight?
Daddy, look. I want to put it for.
Yeah, it's in the bag already.
No, this
Her
one.
here.
Yeah,
Her
that's
mommy
her.
comb her hair like that.
Yeah, her mommy.
Oh.
Come check me, baby. I'm your patient.
Oi, careful your head.
Injection needle. What's it?
Yeah.
Syringe.
I put up and put
Sit down.
stickers. I want stickers, Dad.
Sticker.
Yeah.
What sticker?
Right there.
Let me see.
It's stuck right there.
Listen, you can't play with everything tonight now. You hear me?
Okay.
They're in the bag. You can't play with everything tonight. Ooh, it's a nice bag too. Doctor.
Oh no.
I'll put it in the bag. We'll figure it out. Put it back in the bag.
Aw. Do you like it? Oh no.
Why are you trying to do everything tonight? Let me
I
see.
like it.
I like it. Everything you like. My favorite. Everything here. There's a band-aid.
Yeah.
I'm the sick one. I'm the patient.
Yeah.
Put it right here. No, that's okay. That's good. I got a cut on my arm. Thank you. Do I get a lollipop too? Do I get a lollipop? Okay. Lollipop for me. Where's my lollipop? You're the doctor. You're supposed to give me a lollipop.
Wait. I'm not video up yet.
Why? Oh! See your doctor do that. Look, like this. Look. Your doctor do like this. Like. That's like.
What?
Look. Your doctor do that like. Oh no, this is.
That's
This for your ear. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not working.
Trim my ears.
No,
You gotta look at my ears. Ooh, you see anything in my ears?
no, look.
Yeah, you can't see. Look, see? Let me look in your ears. Let me look in your ears. Ooh, wax and dirt.
You see that?
Bad cookie. What do you see?
I see cookie here.
Oh yeah, and wax and dirt.
Now you're a doctor.
Me?
Yeah.
Hello, little
No,
patient.
no.
How are you? Let me check your heart. You have a busy heart. Ooh.
Abad. Abad.
Ooh. Nice.
Abad.
Yeah. You have a good heart.
Now
Turn your little bottom around and give you an injection. Ooh. Oh. Ow.
Now. Wait.
Are you feeling better now? Okay, I'll give you a sticker
Wait.
on your bottom. I'll give you on your arm
No,
too.
no.
Oh yeah, and that's your injection. Oh, so you can't go to school. Ah, yeah, put some sticker on it. I got one for you.
No. Wait. No, right here.
This is Band-Aid already.
I need.
Oh, you need one right here in your nose. Oh.
And that's going stick.
You just gotta stick because your face is dry. It stick very good.
And now it's going stick.
Maybe it's not gonna stick.
Because we need it.
Let me check your ear.
One.
Yes.
I need really stickers.
Oh, what are we sleepy? Yeah, thought you were gonna put one in your nose too, with big mouth. Good head.
A green stick.
Hmm?
Green stick.
Yes.
I need that. Daddy. And give me that.
That is creepy.
Dad. Daddy, what is that?
This here, let's see. This is
Mother.
thermometer.
Mother.
Thermometer.
No, mother.
Thermometer, yeah.
No, wait, that.
Oh, in your mouth. Okay. Ooh, let me see your temperature. Ooh, you're hot. You have a fever, girl. I'm the doctor and I know you have a fever. You have to lay down and relax
I need this.
for a week.
I need this.
You know,
Dad,
just
Yeah.
put it here, this side, this way, meaning we're not going to use that.
I
I'm
like
going to use it
this.
to clean
phone call.
Sink. You hear me? Where the sink?
A phone call.
Making vlog pala.
Hmm?
They're making vlog.
Making what? Oh.
So, I mean, for the sink ba?
Oh.
Okay. Si Babay Vlog na, are you done?
No.
No?
Look. Mom, look.
That is.
Fall asleep.
Phone, oy. Si Babay na anak, tomorrow again.
Oh, man.
No.
Tomorrow again, time to sleep. It's 12 o'clock na.
Keep my eyes open. 12:05.
Love you too.
Mom.
Ah, there you go.
No, what's that?
It's right here.
No, no, no. I have fever.
That's right here.
Ah, baby. Ah,
It's wet. Let me go.
Mom. Check this one.
oh, here.
Okay.
Hey, it don't work. She can just turn it up anytime she's ready. Get her drink on because she can't sleep till 12 o'clock. Realize
And now
that?
I need a penny.
This one.
Oh, no, I'm not sticking.
12 o'clock. Oh, yeah, so the truck came from. Is it still out there?
Sticker.
What does the sick house do?
I need the penny.
There's a church like that. Oh, there is one anak. Oh, a church like that. They say, "Oh, Jesus Christ, Hallelujah!" There.
But hip hop music.
Yes, listen. This is a church. Now, what you did? Look what you did. Oh,
Alright, put away those things, girl.
time to
No.
sleep. Kaya na babay
What do
na.
you mean, no?
Babay vlog na.
Turn vlog bye-bye. Goodbye, vlog.
Bye-bye.
Alright, turn off the light.
Flying kiss na.
Show the vlog cheers. There's a glass of.
Bye-bye.